Alright guys, today is the day. This is the last drive stock for the FRS's engine. We're going to HPC. Try not to get in a wreck right here. No! And we're dropping it off for the Edelbrock Supercharger upgrade. I'm super excited and it fits like right in with my schedule. But first, we gotta go get the money. This is the least fun part of any car build. Watching your bank account go down by thousands and thousands and thousands. So, let's do that part and then we'll get on to the fun stuff and go drop this car off at HPC. Alright guys, we've got the money. Let's do one last pull. We'll do like a 60 roll. Make sure there's no cops up here, just so we can see if there's a difference. I'm just gonna show this part. Let's see. Alright, ready? Alright, that was a 60 to 80. Took about 5-6 seconds, I'd say. I cannot wait to see just how this car acts when we get it back. We're about 10 minutes away from the shop. I'll pick you guys up once we drop her off.
2 weeks later.
Okay guys, it has been 2 whole weeks and we are finally here to pick up my car. I can now finally say picking up my supercharged wide body FRS. It's right in there, but the only not fun thing about picking up your car is that now you got to pay for it. So we're gonna go spend a whole bunch of money, grab my car, and I'll see you inside for my first initial reaction to driving a boosted car. I'm super hyped. Let's get inside. All right guys, we officially have the key. My baby is back. Let's go. First startup in the boosted FRS. Nothing really changed there, but let's see how the driving is. That is the important part. All right guys, we are back in our neck of the woods and I've got to drive it for a little bit. Let's give it its first baby pull.
The next day.
All right guys, good to see you once again. It's been another day. I've got to live with this car for a day now, but this video is going to go up before the other two where I get to actually drive this car and take it to some meets. But I'm pretty much just want to explain why I got a supercharger instead of a turbo or a pro charger. A lot of the comments on the video where I said we were doing something boosting the FRS, everyone's like, get a turbocharger, get a turbocharger. This turbo sounds so cool. I understand that the turbos sound cool, but me buying an automatic and being a silly goose didn't know that the automatic transmission can't really handle boost that well. And I figured the supercharger is more of a linear power graph. I'll put my dyno sheet up on the screen right now. As you can see, it's pretty linear rather than nothing, 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 boost. So for my transmission's sake, I went with a supercharger. So that clears up that question. All right, so now if you look under here, you will get to see, where is the thingy? Where is the thingy? Oh, here it is. If you look under here, you'll get to see the magnificence that is the Edelbrock Supercharger. We went with this one because once again it was better for the automatic. It looks cool. The only thing that I wish this freaking kit had is a crazy sound. If you're in the market for buying or boosting an FRS, buying a supercharger, this so far in my 2 days of ownership, I haven't really heard it all. Now, we're gonna rev it up. I haven't heard it from the outside, so it might be different from the outside, but if it is, it's very, very slight. I don't think there's a blow-off valve upgrade. If you guys have one and it sounds crazy, please let me know, because I'd love to get that supercharger whine. I was like right on the edge of getting a Vortec, but I just think that that would have been too much for the automatic to handle. Now, maybe, if I get unlimited money down the line, we'll manual swap the car, but I just don't really see that happening, because I just love the way it looks so much, and the accents on the supercharger go with the accents in the car. So, I don't know. I love it. Once again, I dynoed at 252, correct? So, that's with the stock fuel system, pulley that comes with it, and a very conservative tune for, once again, the transmission. But Ellie at HPC told me if we go smaller pulley, upgrade the fuel system, we'll easily be at 300, and if you go E85, we'll easily be at 400. Now, I'll probably break this in a little bit just to get used to it, get the engine used to having the supercharger on it, tuned and all that stuff, before we go anything crazier than this. But I really like it. It's not fast. I will never say that this car is fast as of right now, but it feels like a normal car. Like the linear progression of the power feels very nice compared to stock. So I think that everybody else that has boosted the cars has said it should have came like this from the factory. Alright guys, now that you've taken a look around the car, seen what the kit looks like, heard me talk about it, it's time for you to hear the car. I'm pretty sure it's gotten louder, so I'm gonna hop in it. Jordan's gonna hold the camera right above the supercharger, and we're gonna see if it has any sort of whistle or whine or anything. So we'll do that, we'll do a couple flybys, and we'll end today's video. Let's do it. Alright, Jordan just showed you guys what it sounds like, but now I want to hear what it sounds like. Just do like the same thing I did, like 1, 2, 3. So I feel it's more of a whooshing sound than anything. That's pretty cool. Let's hear it on the road.
Gotta do the walk of shame back to Mexico because he made me walk all the way down the road just to video him. How sad.
Okay guys, that was super duper fun. I hope you guys liked the way it sounded. I wonder if it sounded any different. I'll see you in post if it had a little bit of a whine to it when you're riding. But as you can tell, we got the pop tune. We can shoot flames now. Super, super exciting. Lots of fun stuff coming with this car in the future. It's pretty much at another plateau for now. Now we gotta make some more money so we can get something else in the future. I did a poll on my Instagram the other day if you guys like modified muscle and JDM cars more or less than like a stock supercar, and the results surprised me. An overwhelming majority said they would rather have a modified muscle or JDM than a stock supercar. So thoughts are percolating right now. We have a year to wait for the Bronco, so I mean, if this is done, I might have to get something else on the channel. We have a serious problem here. We're gonna try to save this man. There it goes. Jesus, you scared me. We saved a life in today's video, so that's gonna be the end of it. If you guys liked the video and appreciate the FRS build, smash that like button. I literally couldn't have done it without you guys. I also forgot, massive shout out to DB Tune and HPC for getting this car on the road as fast as they did. DB Tune, hella cool dude. Dropped what he was doing, drove over to the shop and helped tune this car. Or else, I don't know what else, if we would be doing this video right now. The FRS build has come to another plateau. Jordan's booty is bopping back there, but we're gonna end the video here. So once again, if you liked the video, smash that like button, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.